There used to be an ascetic Zahid Sheikh Ismail in Basra who was a very poor person. He had 3 daughters. During the birth of his 4th daughter, his poverty was such that there was not even a lamp in his house. And when the birth was a couple of days away, his wife's health began to deteriorate. The wife told you to borrow something from your neighbor and at least buy a lamp to avoid the darkness of the night. Sheikh Ismail has left his zat. He did not extend his hand to anyone, but on repeated insistence of his wife, he was forced to go to a neighbor's house and knocked on the door, but there was no answer. So he did the same thing 5 or 6 times, but the neighbor was busy robbing the rabbit. So you come back home. When the wife saw you empty-handed, she said in a worried tone, "Did the neighbor also refuse to help?" We men cannot understand the pain that this woman was going through. Sheikh Ismail said, "Help is far away." He didn't even open the door. Sheikh Ismail would lie down on his bed very depressed. And the curves began to change. That you fell asleep. Sheikh Ismail saw Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, in a dream, who was saying to Sheikh Ismail, "Oh Sheikh Ismail, don't worry about your lack of service. Your born girl will be a great scholar, and with the prayers of your born girl, people will be saved from my ummah. Sheikh Ismail, it is necessary for you to go to the governor of Basra, Isa Zarwan, and tell him that he blesses me 100 times every night and 400 times on Friday, but last Friday night he did not present a gift of durud to me. So he should pay 400 dinars to my messenger as expiation." When Sheikh Ismail opened his eyes, he was very happy that he had been blessed with the vision of Prophet. In the morning, he wrote his dream on a piece of paper and reached the ruler of Basra and handed the piece of paper to the gatekeeper. Isa Zarwan was sitting in the court at that time when he read the letter, so he asked the gatekeeper, "Where is the person who gave the letter?" He said that he is standing outside the door. The ruler of Basra ran to the door and kissed Sheikh Ismail's hands and said, "By your grace, my prophet, may God bless him and grant him peace, has mentioned my name, and the reason for my mistake has been forgiven. May Allah, Sheikh Ismail, give you a great reward." Saying this, the ruler of Basra paid 400 dinars to Sheikh Ismail, and in this sense that the Holy Prophet, PBUH, took my name and informed about the expiation of the sin, distributed 10,000 dinars among the people. Do you know that the name of the girl who was born was Rabia Basri? She was born in the same house in 97 Hijri, being the 4th child of her parents. She was named Rabia Basri.